Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can select which folder you want to back up to your Google Photos. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, go to your Google Photos application on your phone, and then you can tap on this button. You can tap on your profile button right here on the top right corner of your screen, and then you're going to click on the photo settings right here guys. Then you can click on backup. You can click on backup setting. Then you have to scroll down until you find the backup device folder, and you can select which folder you want to back up right here. Tap on it, and if you want to select it, you just need to click on this toggle button. And then here I have selected the camera and camera telephone folder, and if you want to add more folder, you just need to click on this toggle button. And for example, I'm going to select WhatsApp images. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage the backup folders, or how we can select which folder we want to back up on Google Photos. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.